In this video, we'll show you how to download and install the Create mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The Create mod is one of the most popular and fun mods out there. It lets you build amazing construction, automated factories, and mechanical machines that actually work. If you want to experience this awesome mod, we're going to walk you through the entire installation process step by step. Don't worry, it's actually super straightforward. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, definitely go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is close off Minecraft completely. Make sure you don't have it running in the background. Now you can open up your web browser and then go to curseforge.com. And when you're here, you're gonna click on Minecraft. And then on the search bar, just type create and press enter. So it's gonna be this one, the one by Simi. You can click on it to go to the mod page. From here, we're gonna go to the files tab, and then you're gonna look for the mod files that matches your Minecraft version that you're playing on. You can filter it by the game version. So I want to download for Minecraft version 120.1. And then for mod loaders, we're gonna use Forge. So it's gonna be this one for me, game version 120.1 and Forge as the mod loader. Alright, after you find the correct one, you're gonna hover to the right here and click on these three dots. And then just hit download file. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it's gonna go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download should start right away. And next, we also need to download the mod loader. For this one, you're gonna use Minecraft Forge. So you can just type in Minecraft Forge on Google and then go to the official website. So this one, minecraftforge.net, click on it. Here on the left, you're gonna pick the same version that you download the mods for. So for me, it's gonna be 120.1. And then you can click the installer button here. You'll go to an ad page, so you can wait for 5 seconds. And on the top right, you can click on skip. This will start the download. You can save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it's gonna go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and it'll start downloading. And after you finish downloading, you'll have the Create mod and also the Forge installer. And the next thing we're gonna do is to install the mod loader, which is Forge. It's in a jar extension, so you'll need Java to open it up. If you don't have it, you can go to java.com and here just click on download Java for desktop and then just download and install the latest version on your PC. After you have Java installed, you can right click on the installer and then open with and open it up with Java. It'll open up the installer. Now, if you still cannot open it properly, you probably need to use a tool called Jarfix. You can type in Jarfix on Google and then go to the official website by Johan, download the exe files and open it up and it'll fix the problem. Alright, so now let's go back to the installer. Here, select install client and simply hit OK. It'll start the installation process. Wait for it to finish. After it's done, you can click OK and Minecraft Forge is installed. Now we'll be able to install Create mod. So for this, we're going to install it into the installation folder. Now to find the installation folder, you can open up the Minecraft launcher. And once you're in, on the play tab, you're going to hover to the left here and click on the drop down menu. And what you need to do is select the Forge profile. Make sure it's in the correct version and then go to the installation tab. Here, look for Forge installation and then you're going to click on the folder icon to open the installations folder. Now here you're gonna look for a folder called mod. If you don't have it, you can create one yourself and name it mods. So let's open up this folder and then what we're gonna do is just drag and drop the create jar files into the installation folder just like so. And that's done. Everything is installed. Now you can go back to the Minecraft launcher, go to the play tab and then just hit play. Minecraft will launch with Forge. On the bottom left, you can see that. And to check even further, you can click on the mods button. And if you install everything correctly, you'll have the create mod appear on the list. And that's it. You'll be able to start using all the awesome features that Create mod has to offer.